Door installation is a critical step in enhancing your home's security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're upgrading your home in Gilbert or starting from scratch, getting the installation right is essential. However, several common mistakes can lead to problems down the line, from drafts and water leaks to costly repairs. Avoiding these pitfalls can save you time, money, and frustration. Here's a comprehensive guide to the most common mistakes to avoid during door installation and how to ensure a flawless job. Failing to measure properly. One of the most frequent mistakes is incorrect measurements. An improperly sized door can lead to gaps, drafts, and even security issues. Always measure the height, width, and depth of the door frame multiple times before purchasing or installing a door. In Gilbert, where temperatures can vary dramatically, even small gaps can lead to energy inefficiencies, causing your utility bills to spike. Solution: use precise tools like a tape measure or laser measure and double-check your dimensions. If you're unsure, consult a professional to ensure accuracy. Ignoring the importance of the frame. A sturdy and correctly installed frame is essential for a door to function well. Many homeowners overlook the condition of the door frame during installation. A warped, rotted, or misaligned frame can compromise the door's performance and durability. Solution: inspect the frame thoroughly before installation. If any part of the frame is damaged, replace or repair it to ensure it can support the door securely. Using the wrong tools or material. Another common mistake is using improper tools or low-quality materials. A poorly installed door, even if it looks fine initially, may sag or become misaligned over time due to inadequate screws, hinges, or sealants. Solution: invest in high-quality tools and materials specifically designed for door installation. Durable screws, weather-resistant sealants, and properly sized hinges are non-negotiable. Neglecting weatherproofing. In Gilbert, where the climate ranges from intense summer heat to monsoon rains, weatherproofing your door is essential. Neglecting to seal the door properly can lead to water leaks, drafts, and damage over time. Solution: apply high-quality weather stripping and caulk around the edges to ensure a tight seal. Consider doors with built-in weatherproofing features for added protection. Improper alignment. Misalignment is a frequent issue that can cause the door to stick, creak, or fail to close properly. This often happens when the hinges aren't aligned correctly, or the frame isn't square. Solution: use a level to ensure that the door and frame are perfectly aligned. Adjust the hinges as needed during installation to avoid long-term issues. Rushing the installation. Homeowners often rush through door installation, thinking it's a simple DIY task. However, skipping steps or cutting corners can lead to costly mistakes. Solution: take your time to plan, measure, and execute each step carefully. If you're inexperienced or unsure, hire a professional installer to ensure the job is done right. Overlooking security features. Doors are a primary line of defense for your home. Skimping on security features like deadbolts, reinforced frames, and high-quality locks can leave your property vulnerable. Solution: invest in a door with robust security features. Install additional hardware like a strike plate and a peephole to enhance security. Not considering energy efficiency. Doors play a significant role in maintaining energy efficiency. Using a poorly insulated door can increase your cooling and heating costs, especially in Gilbert's hot summers. Solution: choose an energy-efficient door with proper insulation and weatherproofing. Look for ENERGY STAR certified doors for the best results. Skipping the finishing touches. Neglecting to finish the installation with paint, stain, or protective coatings can reduce the door's lifespan and aesthetic appeal. Solution: finish the door with high-quality paints or stains that can withstand Gilbert's harsh climate. This not only protects the door but also enhances your home's curb appeal. Overlooking local building code. Every city, including Gilbert, has specific building codes and regulations regarding door installation. Failing to adhere to these can lead to fines or the need for costly adjustments. Solution: familiarize yourself with Gilbert's building codes and ensure your door meets all requirements. Consulting with a local contractor can help you navigate these regulations. Final thoughts. Door installation is more than just a functional upgrade. It's an investment in your home's security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic value. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure a successful installation that lasts for years to come. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or hiring a professional in Gilbert, careful planning and attention to detail are key to getting it right the first time.